So in this video, I'm going to share 2 easy methods to install Deepseek locally with the very interactive interface like the ChatGPT. So without any further delay, let's dive in. So first of all, open your browser and search for LM Studio. Now click the first link. So right now we are on the LM Studio's website. So basically this is an application that allows you to run the large language models locally. Now download the application according to your operating system. So I have the Windows. Let's select download and make sure the latest version is the 0.3.9. Make sure to install the latest version. So once the setup is downloaded, hit run as the administrator and install this. Because I have already installed this on my PC, so I'm not going to install this again. So once the setup is installed, you will have the interface like this one. So click on the LM Studio and open the application. Because I have already installed the model, so that's why I have this interface. But in the initial, you have to click on this search bar, and here you can see we have the Deepseek R1 distilled model, Qwen 7 billion and Llama 8 billion. So it depends on the size. The larger models are obviously perform better. So it depends on you which one do you want to use. It depends on your computer specifications. But keep that in mind, this is the distilled model. This is not the actual 78 billion model because the original large model cannot run on any PC. So we have the distilled models. That means these can easily run on any basic computer. And then hit download the model. So once the model is downloaded, you can go to the my model section, and here you can see I have 2 models installed, Qwen 7 billion, which is the Deepseek R1, then we have the Llama 3.2. Now to chat with this model, you have to go to the chat section, and from the top bar you have the option to select the model. So here we have the Deepseek R1 distilled model. Click on that and load model. Now the model has been loaded. Let's give it any random command. So once you hit the enter, you can see the model is thinking. Because this is running locally, so that is why it can take some time. It depends on your specifications. And here is the answer. So this was the first method of installing the Deepseek locally. But the problem is that you have to depend on the LM Studio. Now let's talk about the second method. Again, go to the search bar and search for Ollama. And again, Ollama allows you to install the large language models locally, and click on the download button. Now download the Ollama according to your operating system. Let's say I'm gonna go for the Windows. So once it's downloaded, click on the Ollama and you have to install this, and this process will take only 3 to 4 minutes. So once the Ollama is installed, you can see this is available to use. Now go to your Windows search bar and search for PowerShell. Then go to this URL ollama.com/library/deepseek R1. You will find this URL in the description below, and then select the model that you want to install. Like in my case, I'm going to install the 7 billion, and then copy this prompt and get back to your PowerShell and paste this code and hit enter. Then the AI will start downloading all of the necessary files for the model, and this process can take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your internet connection. Alright, so once the model is installed, you will see this success message at the end. Now you're ready to give it any command. So the first command that I gave it is the what is the code fusion, and here is the answer. Now you might be thinking that this is boring because the other models like the ChatGPT has very interactive and the modern interface. Don't worry about that. We're gonna discuss about that in the next part. But first of all, let's give it a one more command. Like if a person falls from a 100 meters tall building and it takes 10 seconds to fall on the ground, what is the speed? And then hit enter. And now you can see the AI started to think. And this is the specialty of the Deepseek because it gives you the humans-like answers. Well, this is a very lengthy answer even though we asked a very simple question, but Deepseek being Deepseek, it's thinking and giving the reasons. Now to see the available commands, you have to type /? and then hit enter, and you will see all of the available commands. And if you want to close the model, just type /by and the model will be closed. And then anytime you want to use it, again go to your PowerShell and copy the command from the Ollama, paste it here, hit enter, and you are ready to use this. Now to give it a very modern interface like the ChatGPT, again go to your search bar and search for the Docker. Hit the first link and then download the Docker according to your operating system. Once it's downloaded, run the setup file and this will start installing on your computer. So once this is installed, this will ask you to restart your system. So simply hit restart button. Okay, so we are back, and then hit the accept button, then click on the finish and then sign up your account on the Dockers. So once you are signed up, click on the proceed to the Dockers desktop and you will have this interface in front of you. Then again go to your search bar and type this keyword how to start open web UI container, and again hit the first link and then scroll down and copy the command from the second container. But if you have the NVIDIA's GPU, you should go with this command. This will run the model faster. So just copy the command and again get back to your PowerShell and paste the command and hit enter. And again this will start downloading all of the necessary models. So once it's installed, open the Docker app and then you will see these numbers inside of your Dockers app. So click on these numbers and boom, we are ready to use. Get started. Just give it any random name, email and password and we are ready to go. And now we have very interactive interface just like the ChatGPT. So if we go to the model section, we can see Deepseek R1 is running. Now let's give it any common sense question, and the AI is thinking, yes, this could be a little bit slower than the official website because Chinese servers are obviously faster than your computers. Now to confirm this, that this is actually running without internet connection, let me turn off my internet connection, and again let's give it a prompt, and here we have the answer. So it means the model is running without any internet connection. So this was a short tutorial on how to install Deepseek R1. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.